Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to connect Chicklet foldable keyboard with your paired phone. So it is not actually I'm first time connecting because I'm already connected this device with my phone once. So you can see here how fast is connecting, opening our keyboard, and you can see here there is button. Just swipe like this and it is turned on. Okay, after that I'm turning on my Bluetooth. You can see here, so there is Portronics Chicklet keyboard. Tap on that and I'm pressing this button once. Okay, it is connected. So that's guys very simple, and you can see here there is an alert that's a configure physical keyboard to tap to select language and layout. So we can simply select this keyboard shortcuts. So that's guys, so it is very simple. So that's guys, in this way you can simply connect already paired device with your phone. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you need any more uh, help from my side, you can simply message me. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.